Here comes the cute little dog, full of mischief and energy. She sees the tractor and makes it her new toy. First, she bites it, pulling and tugging with all her strength. Then she drags it around as if she's trying to break it into pieces. Look how determined she is, chewing, pulling, and not giving up at all. Every move shows her playful spirit and naughty side. This little dog is not afraid of anything, not even the big tractor. She just wants to play, have fun, and show how strong she really is. What a funny, smart, and adorable dog.